We're dipping out. We're dipping. Yo, what's up, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm getting new tires. I'm kind of bummed about it because literally the tires I have right now, like, yeah, there might not be too much tread, but there's definitely enough tread to still, like, you know, do some burnouts, do some drifts. And that's why I'm kind of sad. I'm like, didn't use this tire to its full potential. But dude, honestly, I've been running with one screw in the tire already, and now I got second screw in the same exact freaking tire, which is like low-key a good thing. So now the tires I'm getting, definitely getting warranty, because dude, something about California, bro, nails are like so common. Like, I just fixed a nail in my Honda. It's like something about it, bro, it's just so common here. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go find a place to do like a little bit of like some burnouts, and hopefully I don't like rip the screw out and the tire goes flat. But I have enough air since yesterday, so it's holding pressure somewhat well. But we're really gonna see what's gonna happen right now. I'm pretty excited to get new tires though. I am getting some cheap tires, bro. I'm getting like some cheap ones because I don't know what to go for, so I just went for the cheap. Like, they're not too cheap, but like they'll do its job pretty much. I can still go high speeds. I can still, you know, it has somewhat grip, but I didn't go for like the grippiest tires because they only have like 10K mile limit. Like, they die in 10K. Like, I don't want it that soft where it freaking rips apart that easily. Because, dude, honestly, no matter what tire you get, you're gonna have no grip in the Hellcat. Period. Like, it literally does not matter what kind of freaking tire you get. But the only thing I'm scared about, the only reason I don't do like drifts more often and stuff, is like there's no like designated areas to actually drift, and I'm trying to be safe while I have this car, you know what I mean? So like, I've been trying to find the best spots, and there's good spots where it's like safe, there's no people nearby, no like, that's the goal, right? That's the goal. My goal is to have like a safe place, you know, I'm not bothering anyone, and I'm not gonna, you know, I can't kill somebody pretty much, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to find a place where designated drift areas, but they're like nowhere to be found, man. I don't know where to go for them. And oh dude, my thing is still here. That's lit. But yeah, there's nowhere to go, and so it's kind of sucky, but we're gonna find somewhere, rip these tires off partially. So see what temperatures I'm at. I don't think I got good temperatures to push it yet. Yeah, I need to drive a little bit more before I do anything. Sheesh, man. Look how open these freaking roads are. This is perfect. I need to do this with two hands, man. Wow, it's literally a perfect road. Fudge. Holy, that was in first gear too. I did not expect that. Ooh, I definitely slipped. I'm gonna try to get an outside view right now. Let's see how this is gonna look. My hands on it. I think I need to like lower the volume of my exhaust before I do anything, just so I'm not as obvious, you know what I mean? Okay, I just need to do a gnarly burnout dip. Just have to be careful of cameras. Let's do a burnout. I think I have. The only thing is I want to do a burnout where, oh shoot, there's the bike. Yeah, it looks pretty lit, it looks pretty chill. I have a special mode for, I don't know how open this freaking road is, dude. Dude, I have no grip. Okay, I'm dipping now. Absolutely no freaking grip. Oh, I'm so pissed. I didn't even do a burnout yet. But I'm not trying to be at the spot for too long. Where is my drive modes? I'm trying to find my active lock. How does it work? we're dipping out. I'm happy I recorded that too. It smells so freaking bad. Oh my gosh, there's smoke in my car. Oh fudge. Oh, this thing's so freaking bad in my car. That was sick, dude. Active lock is OP. What the fudge? I did not know I had that in my freaking car. I'm gonna see how much treads I have left real quick before I even get this tire replaced, but I know for a fact I got so much tread. I'm honestly so sad my tire's short-lived. Like, I lost tread from just driving it and like gassing it all the time, but there's still so much life for me to whip it, you know? Like, I don't know how my friends have tires till like it's literally bald, because I don't remember the last time I had a tire that went bald. Like, I just gotta screw some freaking wear, bro. It's freaking annoying. But I'm gonna be honest, man, like I need to find a place where I can whip it more so I can just have a bunch of fun and practice, because it's honestly like such an easy car to freaking drift. Dude, this valve muffler does a lot, like a lot. I just opened it back up because it sounds way more satisfying. But it's too obvious, the only problem. All right, before I get anywhere else, I want to show my life and my tires. Like, I ripped off a good amount right now, but dude, like, it still goes so deep in. The inside is what's the issue. So that's why this new tire I'm getting, I got lifetime alignment, because from what I know, these cars need alignment all the freaking time. So I'm gonna do one more drift and then I'm out. Fudge, no grip at all. Yeah, now I've actually learned the gas pedal now, so I don't lose as much traction as I used to before. But I'm gonna go to my friend's spot that has it's private property, so he's gonna be whipping for a sec, and then we're gonna dip. Oh my gosh, I hope I got a good angle. We're gonna do one more. Out, bro. Holy crap, that is next level fun. I'm so happy I'm having fun before I freaking get rid of this car, or this tires, I mean. I'm so freaking happy. Holy crap, yeah, I have absolutely no grip. Alright, I need to do a U-turn actually, so I'm gonna do one right now. It's pretty tight here, I'm not used to it, but whatever. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I need to dip out now. I'm literally only doing this too, guys, is literally because I'm getting rid of my tire. That's the only reason. So I'm only doing it in safe locations where I have a permit. So make sure you guys have a permit. Make sure you guys do it on private property, your friend's property. That's why I can't wait to get my own property soon, so I can do my own. I can do it anytime I want. Like have a little drift course. So I'm hyped, but time to get new tires. Dude, I did all that and my tires are still like chilling, bro. That's what I mean, bro. I'm still chilling. So, but we're at the tire shop. Time to get new tires, so I'm kind of hyped. I need tires anyways, because literally there's 2 nails in one, so whatever. Dude, car's up, doing alignment. Look at those freaking tires. What the fudge? So massive freaking tires, but finally got new tires, getting alignment done. I'm hyped. So pretty much these are the tires I got. I kind of forgot to film the outro because I went to the McLaren meet, but these were $250 each. I got warranty on them, and I got 3-year alignment, so I'm gonna keep getting alignment on these. these look really busted, but there's actually like, they're actually pretty deep. You know, there's a really deep tread. So the front ones look beat, but there's still enough tread. But so far, I've been vibing with these tires. Like I said, it's all I really need. This car can't grip anyways, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed those burnouts before I got new tires. I wish I kept going with it. There was still so much tread left, especially if I did alignment. There was so much tread, but it is what it is. That's why we're some for cheap ones. So once these start getting low, you already know. Once this one gets low, you already know. We're gonna freaking burn them out like last time. But next time we're gonna do a way crazier burnout. Like I already did a beast burnout, but I'm gonna try to go like all freaking out. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.